In this video from HowGenic, let me show you the quick way on how you can enable dark mode on the Podimo app. If you're used to dark mode settings and your current Podimo app is set to light tone, in today's video, let me show you the way on how you can turn on the dark mode on the Podimo platform. Now within the app, there is no option of turning on the dark mode. As you can see, if you head over to settings, you wouldn't find any option called theme or changing the theme of the app. Instead, what you need to do is head over to the settings of your phone and enable the dark mode over there. So let's head over to the settings of your phone and find the settings of display. Inside of display, you should have the option called dark mode options. If you don't, you can straight away search for dark mode or even display. Inside of this setting, your phone should allow individual apps to turn on and turn off dark mode. As you can see, for me, Podimo app currently has dark mode turned on. For you as well, you just need to switch this option on, and as soon as you do that, you can just refresh the app of Podimo, and once you open up the Podimo app, the platform or the theme of the Podimo app will be set to dark. Later on, if you don't like the dark theme, you can always go back to the settings and turn this option off. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more how-to guide. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next one.